It says AC is a radius of the larger circle. So it says AC is a radius of the larger circle and the diameter of the small circle. There's a diameter of a small circle. Let me put the center of circle here and diameter of a small circle. A line through A cuts the small circle at X, okay, and the large circle at B. Show that X is a midpoint of AB. We are gonna prove X is a midpoint of AB. That means AX equals XB. First of all, I try to draw a line from X to C here, and we know the angles of a point that located at the circumference, the angles at the semicircle. Here I have semicircle. AC is semicircle. And X located at the circumference of this semicircle. So the angle would be 90 degrees. AB is a straight line and A, X, and B are collinear. So this one would be 90. Okay. C is the center of a larger circle, so I start. Draw a line from B to C that is a radius. So I start to prove X equals 90. The angles at the semicircle, the angles in a small semicircle that located at the circumference of this semicircle. So I say X equals 90. So X1 equals X2. It's X1 and X2 equals X2. They are equals 90. And CX equals CX. Common line. I write common. And AC equals CB. AC equals CB. The radius of the largest circle. So I could prove with two corresponding sides. I could prove with here in the right triangle are right angles. Two hypotenuse RH as corresponding side RHS. I could prove these two triangles are congruent. So triangle XCA is congruent to triangle XCB. When I prove two triangles are congruent or identical, I can say all the corresponding angles and all the corresponding sides are equal. So I can say AX equals bx. So I prove x is midpoint. Is midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB.